So for this recipe, you're going to start by adding 3 tablespoons of agave to a bowl, along with 3 tablespoons of date syrup. You're also going to add in a half a teaspoon of sea salt, a half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which is optional, as well as 1/4 cup of sesame seed oil. You can also use avocado or grapeseed oil for this as well. Then you want to go ahead and get it nice and stirred until it's nice and combined. Then you're going to add in 3 cups of rolled Spelt or Kamut flakes. You want to go ahead and get that mixed together and then spread that onto a baking pan. You're going to be baking this on 325 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And you'll need to stir it every 7 minutes so that it does not burn. So now that my granola is done, I'm going to go ahead and add my dried fruit. You can use any approved fruit that you prefer. For this recipe, I am using dried dates, some raisins, you can also use currants, and some dried blueberries. And I've also sprinkled on some hemp seeds. You want to do this within the first 5 minutes of taking it out of the oven, and then go ahead and give it a stir until it's nice and combined and allow it to cool completely. So this is what it looks like, and this is great for breakfast. You can serve this with a little bit of coconut cream and some fruit, and there you have it.